You said come look. It's
Uh,
August 16th.
Okay.
Okay. It's
Guessing
another day
it's another day.
it's another day. Okay, what are we looking at?
Just getting things kind of fit for the bathroom. Um,
Go ahead.
no,
Oh, you want me to go? Okay.
we all can't fit in there.
Look at that.
So it's just kind of set in place, but it's just kind of staged to kind of give you an idea.
Oh, that looks great. I think this will be a much more room. You can actually walk in and sit down on the toilet, and that's next to you. And I think my guitar will fit above. It may not be centered, but it should fit above that. Okay, don't you think?
I think so.
Yay! Will you put the walls in before you put the sink in? Before you screw it in?
Not entirely, partially.
Okay.
It all has to go in stages, so not all of it. But yeah.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
It's just all the funky plumbing and trying to same struggles.
Well, yeah, you've got the whole this angled thing and this whole thing. This is much nicer and lower profile. Because before it came out almost all the way to my toe here.
It came out to
and
here
then
and then
went
it was
up.
just and
It
went
was
up.
a
I think it was attached right
Yeah.
here.
yeah.
So it's just this whole
And so, you couldn't even sit with your feet straight out. You'd have to buckle your feet in to sit on the commode.
yeah.
This is much nicer.
So I think this will be probably right about there, and then I'll just have a board goes up here, and then finish that off where it all screws in.
Awesome. That is awesome.
Low profile, and I think this I can trim out some things to where you can either have a little garbage can in there, storage for
Toilet paper.
toiletries.
That is really great.
And I think it's it's a little bit lower, but I think that still gets everything that you need to do.
Yeah, no.
Gives you a lot more wall space to get your
My guitar in.
guitar up there.
You can sit on the toilet and plan your next trip.
Figure out which subway route you're going to take in Istanbul or wherever it is.
Yeah, Istanbul. There's Bangkok up here, I think. I don't know. We got a little bit of everywhere. Fun stuff. Always an adventure.
Always.